Welcome back to another tropical outlook and discussion for today, the 9th of October. We are taking a deep, detailed dive now of the landfall of Hurricane Milton. Alexa, shut up. We are going to be taking a look at Hurricane Milton now. We are still out of major hurricane. Good news is it is no longer as strong as before, okay? Doesn't matter. The wind field has expanded. The impacts have been extreme today. We are still very, very well into a major hurricane, and we are really going to have to watch this. They did finish Milton's pass, and it seems like it is definitely on its path to weakening. But we are going to have to watch this, you guys. Alright, so Tampa Bay. This is the closest a storm has been with you guys in the last 100 years. Question is, could this make a landfall in Tampa Bay or go north of Tampa Bay and be one of the most catastrophic events for Tampa Bay? So we are going to watch this live. And what we have noticed is a pressure increase, starting to slow down with the pressure increase. So it's probably now 940. Actually, the pressure dropped from a 949 to a 948. So it's now hovering around its strength, and it's probably going to stay like that. You notice it's been going generally like this, but it's been going a little bit more east, and then you can tell a little bit more north. So on this path, as of right now, question is, it doesn't look like I'm watching this. Oh wow. So there it could be doing a turn like that, or we wait another like 20 minutes and this ends up here and then do something like this. This can actually make landfall directly in Tampa, and worst case scenario it just goes a little bit more north, and then you got all of this, the strongest part of the storm here, this 125 miles sustained with gust up to about cat 4 hurricane force. You can have this wind here. If we have a landfall somewhere like that, you can have all this wind just directly driving that water right into Tampa Bay. And we do have a live cam. We are going to be watching this too. So we're going to have to really watch that. We are waiting for the landfall of Milton. One thing is, it already has caused a lot of damage and a lot of issues, you guys. I'm sorry to break this to you guys. I hear there is big damage in some pretty big parts of Florida. There has been multiple tornado warnings, and there's been a multiple confirmed tornado warnings, and we really have to watch this, okay? I'm looking here, top chat. Welcome to the chat. Hello. Let me... Okay. Okay, so there it is. Just did that. We are watching. Recon's done. So we are now more of looking on radar here. And I am currently looking here. Wow, Leslie. Looking like a pretty interesting hurricane again. There it is, you guys. Hurricane Milton. Definitely the side of the imagery, not at all an eye here. We do notice that, but one thing we do notice is it is once again really trying to blow up another sheet of convection right in the core. So that's probably keeping it from weakening. And Tampa Bay is about here. So core is somewhere in here, you guys, in this deep thunderstorm convection, still wrapping around pretty well. Still some lightning strikes, and this could, if this makes landfall north of Tampa Bay, we are going to be watching the biggest catastrophic event for Tampa Bay on air, okay? So, how are we going to do that is we got weather, my radar weather, and we are going to be watching the impacts. And I'm going to be looking around and seeing what's going on here, too. If you guys... Alright, let me read some tornado warnings. So, Orlando is under a tornado warning. Nothing confirmed. There is a tornado warning. And actually... we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, we have 8 tornado warnings currently, you guys. If you guys are in Tampa... Whoa, sorry about that. Oh, it does show lightning too. So, there it is. This hurricane. Wow, look at that. There it is. The eye of the storm. It's going to be very close. Tampa Bay is right in here, you guys. This couldn't do another northern jog like this. And then this would have to pretty much make landfall. But if you guys are in the Florida Keys, you guys are pretty much out of your worst. Homesdale, you guys are pretty much out of the worst. If you guys are in any of these tornado warnings, we are really watching this here. This is the eye wall, by the way. We have an outer and inner eye wall on the northern side here. And then we got some very heavy rain bands now reaching Tampa Bay and the coastal areas. This is probably bringing hurricane force winds, and we will be probably starting to notice some major damage being reported. The tornado threat continues right now, by the way. This has been a major tornado threat. If we kind of actually take a look at... Let's take a look at storm reports here. Oh yeah, definitely trying to get its last strength out. I can tell you guys that Milton is trying to get its last energy out from its original absolutely 185-mile-an-hour storm here. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, 17 tornadoes, by the way. And we even had some damaged wind reports now. Very interesting. We are now getting tropical storm force winds up to 58, even 66 miles an hour now. Some people are posting some wind reports here. On the west coast here, let me Naples here. Naples seeing, wow. We are seeing 50, 50 to about 70 mile an hour winds here. You can see these blue dots. That's the 70. This is 50. So there it is. We are seeing tropical storm force across the entire state of Florida right now, and I can confirm that because I've been hearing about other people talking about the winds. And this storm actually just broken a record here. Um, okay. Let's see who's on here. Is it anyone? Okay, okay. What's up? What's up? President. Okay, category 4. So I'm safe since I'm in Houston. Yeah, you are safe. You are safe. Don't worry. You are safe. Yeah, you are safe. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below here. Um, I don't know why my computer is being like that. But let's take a look at the future radar here on the NAM here. Saying it's a 971 is way stronger than that. Alright. We are still dealing with some major, major impacts. So you could tell, there it is. Let's get to the most recent hour. This is about 5. And it says, yeah. Then it has it doing that hard west turn. So we might be in the beginning stage of that hard right turn. Wow, this crosses the entire state. We're probably going to be at the peak of the hurricane tornado warnings very shortly. Alright. Let me get back on here on radar here. I don't know why my computer is lagging. If there is a lag, please let me know. It's a really bad lag on my side right now. I'm just very curious. They just put a convection outlook. slight risk. Oh, okay. We definitely got quite a bit of this. There it is, the core of the hurricane. So the record it broke is both National Weather Service of Miami and the National Weather Service of Tampa have broken the record for the most tornado warnings issued in a single day by their offices. Today, historic insurance break the previous record of Hurricane Ian, 2022, and Tropical Storm Andrea in 2023, respectively. Very crazy. Oh, wow. Palm Beach has a PDS, you guys. PDS tornado for Palm Beach. That is a confirmed large tornado. There has been many images here of these tornadoes. Alright. We are watching the landfall and watching these tornado warnings. So it's already been over 100 tornado warnings today. That, my friend, is very crazy. What time this should make landfall? Probably in the next... Probably going to be making landfall in the next few hours, I would say. Okay, next few hours is probably the landfall. So, I'm going to quickly update this. I need to make sure I do not know. This is a live cam out of Tampa Bay. I'm going to let that load for a little. And let me just quickly. So there it is. It's very tough right now because it looks like it might just be going west right now. Tampa Bay is getting absolutely crushed. Port St. Louis, there is a confirmed tornado just west of Port St. Lucie. A confirmed tornado was located about 10 miles northwest of Tradition, or 14 miles of Treasure Island, moving 35 miles an hour. Damaging tornado radar confirmed. Then we do have another tornado warning to the north, and that is a radar indicated rotation. And then we even have another confirmed tornado warning, a damaging radar confirmed tornado warning along the beach of located near Vero Beach, Highland, or near Endurado. We have another confirmed tornado warning. So the third confirmed tornado warning was located around 8 miles north of Lyon County, Safari Park, 13 miles east of Canyon Point, moving at 45. Damage tornado and water spotters confirmed it. We do have another tornado just east of Orlando. Orlando could be getting into that potential tornado warning. And then once again, we are just watching for the tornadoes. So that's the... Am I really lagging? Alright, thank you for letting me know. I noticed that.